Alright, so we were going to do a video about just making coffee, but lo and behold, I forget things. So I actually got something for Christmas. It is combustible solid fuel tabs, and I've never used them, so we're going to test one out without doing anything. Do some experiments with these. Stay tuned. So they come in this little pack. It looks like almost like a Tylenol container when we were kids. So I guess you just push it out. Oh, skirt, we're not gonna fuck with it. It's a little cube. Looks like a knockoff Lego you buy in a cheap store. Takes a little bit to get it lit, but it's going. If I had to give these a rating, I'd give it a 7 out of 10. These S-Bit solid fuel cubes. Although I'm not using them in the proper manner, just kind of testing them out because I've never played with them. Yeah, 7 out of 10 so far. I guess we'll have to get an actual stove for it and give it a shot. So, although it does stink like hell, it works. I think I'm going to have to buy one of them little stoves and try them out the right way. So, we didn't get to post a video, so happy late Merry Christmas. We're Running Deer Outdoors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, follow, whatever you want to call it. We'll catch you guys later.